you see the most random things. That's our uncle right there. He's poking this banana leaf, I believe.
Perfect.
Morning, Bob. Jeremy's trying to keep up with this car right here, but there's about like, I don't even know how many people are on that car. That's pretty amazing, but none of them have face masks or anything. It's a Nissan. Look how many people are there. Oh, Mitsubishi.
It shows right there.
Oh. I don't know why I said Nissan. It says Mitsubishi at the back of it.
Perfect.
Look at these hooligans on here. Aside from those things right there, excited to eat those pineapples, man. We have them planted all the way up there too. I want these pineapples. This is what I'm more excited about. Kamote's good too. After all the loud noises, Jeremy's receiving his package for
This is the right
brake pads, front and rear.
right specific part.
Motorcraft. We've been waiting about like almost a week for this. But hopefully this is it. It's coming over with it, okay? Here's yeah? Wait. Yeah, it's from got 4 people helping here to get this car into this car lot here. Jeremy can do it. Yep. To see.
This is so cool.
Yeah, a lot of this stuff done, bro.
What?
This is 5.7 liters. Brake test, bro. Yeah. So Jeremy's spraying that, and it's. We replaced our brakes yesterday. I'd say there's smoke coming out of it.
Always didn't catch fire.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard.
It's alright. You can hear it better. Nice. So we're about to head to bed, but look, look, he's not leaving. He's like, Pup is saying leave, and he won't leave. You gotta go, bud. That's a big tuko to look at how big his head is. It's as big as a sardine. Come on. Oh, there you go. That's the boss. Puppy's like, yeah. Get him out. I am the king of the lizard.
You don't even know my real name. I'm the Lizard King.